Hello everyone, hello my dear traders. Well, new year, new resolutions. That's why today I want to trade with you with something new. Today on my plan list, I want to show you one platform which is really interesting to trade with. And yeah, let me introduce you to 4 Matrix platform. Well, the main idea of this platform that it helps you to analyze the chart in case you have some problems to analyze it by yourself, because maybe you are a new trader and your knowledge is not that strong. That's totally normal. So that's why I'm going to test this tool today to show you how you can trade with that. So the most important thing is that this platform analyzes screenshot of the chart and then it outputs a signal. So of course this tool is powered by artificial intelligence, and also guys is totally for free. I was myself surprised when I figured it out. So there are no paid subscription, and I think it's amazing because it's very skillful. So let's test it and trade with this platform today. So guys, here we are on the platform, and as you can see, after registering on this platform, you will have 3 free market analysis. In other words, you'll be able to analyze free screenshots of the chart image. This is a kind of trial period. This way you can understand how this platform works. However, in order to activate it permanently, you will need to follow these steps. You will need to open an account with one of the partner brokers by clicking on the provided link. Then after that, you will need to top up your deposit by $50, and after that you will be able to access its platform on an ongoing basis. That means that you can upload as many images as you want and analyze the market, guys. This is the only condition to fully activate this platform. But in order to register with one of the partner brokers, you need to click on the link broker account button. Then here you will be provided with 2 brokers for registration. This is quotex or pocket option. After that, click the registration button. Then after that, you will be taken to the registration page on the quotex platform. After you sign up, you will need to top up your account with $50. Then after you copy your quotex platform ID, you copy only numbers, guys, no need letters, and here in the bottom line insert the quotex platform ID, the one where you made a $50 deposit. Then click the arrow and after that the 4 Matrix platform will be fully activated and you will be able to use it in full without any restrictions. But since I have already activated this platform, it is therefore fully available for me. That is, I no longer have any restriction, guys. So now I will click on the analysis button, and this is where we'll upload images of our graphs. This is where the platform will give us signals to increase or decrease after analyzing the screenshots. Be sure to watch this video till the end, guys. You will be able to see and understand how it works on my example. This will make everything clear to you. So let's get right down to the trading itself. That's why I'm switching to the quotex platform now, and here we can see that we have a certain level of support at the bottom. We also see, guys, that at the moment the price has approached our level, there was also a false breakout. This is the place where the candles went beyond the level. Then after that there was an upward pullback, but at the same time we'll see that the overall price potential is going down. The main price highs are getting lower. This means that it is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. Well, guys, now let's take a screenshot of this chart. That is, I highlight the image of this chart, then I copy the image and switch to the 4 Matrix platform. I press Ctrl plus V key and paste the image here. By the way, guys, all platform signals are issued for a period of 1 minute, and here it offers to open it to go down. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. As you can see, the platform has now analyzed the market and it assumes that there will be a downward movement in the next minute. In this case, guys, this is of course quite possible. It is likely that this time this level will be fully broken, and now we will try to make money on this downward movement. So my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal.
40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that.
Well, guys, it's pretty good. As you can see, the price still continued to move down and we got a profit here. At the same time, 1 minute was enough for us. In fact, 4matrix platform correctly predicted the further movement of the chart, guys. I hope that you have already understood how this platform works. Similarly, guys, today we'll continue our trading, and as you can see, there's nothing complicated about it. Everything is quite simple and clear. So guys, let's continue our trading session. Alright guys, rewinding the chart to the left, we see that we have a support level here at the bottom. We also see that at the moment the price is moving down and approaching our level. At the same time, there is still room to reach the support level. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. So now let's highlight the image of this chart in this way. Let's copy it and switch for the matrix platform. Close the old image, click Ctrl V and insert a new graph image. And now the analysis is underway. Just waiting for the result, guys. And as you can see here, the platform offers us to open a deal to go down. I fulfill the specified conditions, press the red button. The price has recently had an excellent downward potential based on the possible downward movement to bring the price closer to the level. Now we'll try to earn money with you guys. So let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on quotex and pocket option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well guys, that's not bad. The downtrend continues to exist. This is where we got a profit. Well, I have managed to earn on this moment, guys. In fact, the platform turned out to be right because it correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Well, so far it's going great, guys. Let's continue. Alright, here we see the level of support. At the same time, we can also see that there is currently a downward movement. Okay, the price is moving down and approaching our level. At the same time, there is still quite a lot of space to reach the support level. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. So guys, now let's highlight the image of the chart in this way. Then we copy the image, switch to the 4matrix platform and pass this image here. Now we are just waiting for the graph analysis. Okay, here we are offered to open a deal to go down. Well, I agree and press the red button. We will try to make money on this possible downward movement. And as you can see, guys, the price moving down quite confidently. That is, red candles are mainly formed. So guys, I hope that in this case, 1 minute for us will be quite enough. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the end of our deal. Alright guys, that's great. The downward trend continued to move towards the level and we got a profit here. As you can see, this trading situation has worked out perfectly well. Everything is going great. So my dear traders, let's continue. So guys, we have a level of support down here. We also see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level. An impulsive red candle is currently forming. Well, let's highlight the image of this graph. Then copy it and switch to the 4matrix platform. Guys, we put the image data here. Now we are just waiting for the chart analysis. Alright, here we are offered to open a deal down. Guys, we will fulfill a specified condition. As you can see, guys, the support level is breaking through right now. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. So I hope that 1 minute here will be totally enough for us, guys. At least the price is moving down quite confidently. So let's wait for the outcome. So guys, that's amazing. As you can see, the support level has indeed been breached. And here I got a great and confident profit. The 4matrix platform has done an excellent job, and as you can see, I accurately managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Everything is going great, so guys, let's continue our trading session. So guys, so we have a certain level of resistance up here, and we can see that the price is already starting to go beyond this level. A green candle is just forming. Let's highlight this image in a similar way so that the quotes are visible. Then click the copy button, go to the Formatrix platform and paste this image here. Now we are just waiting for the platform analysis. Here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I fulfill the specified conditions by pressing the green button. It is likely that this level will be broken in the near future. We will try to make money on this possible upward movement, guys. At least we can see that the price has been moving up quite confidently lately. I hope that 1 minute will also be enough, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. Well guys, there was some kind of attenuation, but still the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. And here we managed to make money. Guys, the most important thing here is that we earned, so let's continue our trading session. So guys, we have a resistance level up here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment after the rollback, the price has reached our level, and right now it's already starting to go beyond it. Well, let's highlight the image of this chart, then copy this image and switch to the Formatrix platform. Now we insert this image here. Our chart is currently being analyzed, just waiting for the analysis to be completed. So guys, we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I'm pressing the green button. Indeed, the resistance level is currently being breached, and it is likely that I will get into the upward movement itself. It is on this moment, on breaking through the level, that we will now try to make money. I hope that 1 minute in this case will also be enough. Now let's just watch the price and wait for the result. Well guys, the price stopped. There was a slight attenuation, but still the upward movement continued and we got the profit. The most important thing here is that I've managed to make money from this trading situation. Well, let's continue guys. Alright guys, here we also have a certain level of resistance at the top, and we can see that at the moment the price is already starting to go beyond this level. It is quite possible that a breakout will occur here. Well, now let's highlight the image of this chart, and now let's insert the image of the following chart here. Our screenshot is currently being analyzed. We are waiting for the result. So guys, here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I agree and press the green button. We can see that there has now been a downward pullback, and it is likely that the upward movement will continue after the pullback. It is on this possible upward movement that we will now try to make money. Guys, now let's watch the price and see how true this signal turns out to be in this time. Well guys, it's not bad. After the pullback, the price reversed and green candles continue to form, and I have managed to earn on this upward movement. Okay, in fact, the signal turned out to be profitable. Well, let's continue our experiment and continue testing the platform further. So guys, we have a support level down here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the downward movement is quite confident. The price is moving down and there's still a lot of room to reach the support level. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. So now let's highlight the image of this chart, then copy it and switch to the Formatrix platform. Now we insert the image of the chart here. The chart is currently being analyzed. We are waiting for the result. So guys, we are offered to open a deal to go down. Well, let's fulfill the specified conditions and press the red button. In this case, it is indeed possible that the price will continue to move towards the level in the near future. We'll now try to make money on this possible downward movement, guys, and so let's wait for the outcome. Okay guys, unfortunately there has been an upward pullback here and we got loss. Well, nothing terrible happened. In any case, let's not get upset. Therefore, I simply suggest that we continue our trading session and consider following current situation. Okay guys, we have a resistance level up here. We also see that at the moment the price is moving up and the main price lows are getting higher. At the moment there is a certain tightening of the resistance level. This situation reminds me of the ascending triangle pattern of technical analysis. Well, now let's highlight this image, then copy it and switch to the Formatrix platform. We'll insert the image here and wait for the platform analysis. So here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I'm pressing the green button. We can see that at the moment the price has gone beyond the level and continue to form further. That is just at the moment the resistance level is being broken, guys. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make money. I hope that 1 minute here will be totally enough for us. Well, let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Alright guys, as you can see, the resistance level has been breached. A fairly confident and positive green candle has formed. At the same time, 1 minute was enough for us, guys. I have managed to make money by breaking through the level. This situation has worked out perfectly well. Let's continue our trading session and find the next trading situation. So guys, we have a resistance level up here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment the price is approaching our level. Fairly confident green candlesticks have formed. We also see that the price is already starting to go beyond the level. Now we will highlight the image of this chart, then copy it and switch to the Formatrix platform. Then we pass the image of the new screenshots here. Now we are just waiting for the platform analysis. Okay, here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I'm pressing the green button. It is likely that this level will be breached. Perhaps I will even get into an impulsive upward price movement. It is on this possible upward movement that we will try to make money. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well guys, unfortunately, as you can see, the price moved away from this zone. Impulsive red candlesticks have formed. This is where we got a loss again. Okay, as you can see, there has been a false breakout of the resistance level. It's okay guys, still have funds on deposit. Therefore, let's continue our trading situation and we'll look for some other situation in the market. Okay guys, we have a resistance level here. At the same time, we can see that at the moment it has reached our level. Also guys, at the same time, we see that at the moment there has been some kind of attenuation, but as such, there is no downward pullback yet. It is likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Select the image of the chart and copy it. Go to the platform and paste the image of the new screenshot here. The chart is currently being analyzed. We are waiting for the result. Okay guys, here we are offered to open a deal to go up. Well, I fulfilled the specified conditions. I hope that this level will be broken in the near future. We will now try to make money on this possible upward movement. Now let's observe the price, guys, and see how correct the technical analysis and hints of the platform will be this time. Guys, not bad. The upward movement still continued and we got a profit here. In fact, the resistance level has indeed been breached. The most important thing is that we have managed to earn on this upward movement. The platform turned out to be right and I currently managed to predict the further movement of the chart. Well guys, so far everything is going great. Let's continue our trading session. Okay guys, we have a certain level of support down here. At the same time, we also see that at the moment the price has approached our level. Okay, at the moment there is certain tightening of the support level. At the same time, the main price highs are getting lower. It is likely that in this case the downward movement will continue in the near future. Now let's highlight the image of this chart. Let's copy it and switch to the Matrix platform. Then we pass the image here. The chart is currently being analyzed. We are waiting for the result. Okay guys, we are offered to open a deal to go down. Well, I will agree with the analysis of the platform and press the red button. Indeed, the downward movement is likely in this situation. We will now try to make money on this possible downward movement. Guys, I hope that 1 minute will be totally enough. In this case, well, now we are watching the price and waiting for the result. That's great. As it seems, it really continued to move towards the level and we got the profit here. Well, at the same time, 1 minute was enough for us. So guys, in the meantime, I already have more than $6,000 on my deposit and I suggest we end here because I fulfilled my trading plan. So my dear traders, as you can see, almost all situations worked out well. Yes, we had 2 unsuccessful deals, which is totally normal, I think, because mostly, guys, it was successful and also I fulfilled my trading plan. If you want to trade with it as well, guys, I remind you how you can do that. First of all, the link to it will be in the description box. Go through a simple registration, top up your deposit for $50, and you will get full access to 4 metrics. So it will be more comfortable, guys, because you will be able to use it without any restrictions. I'm sure if you will use it correctly, its tips will be so helpful for you. So my dear traders, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.